How to unfollow everyone on Facebook all at once. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can unfollow everyone on your Facebook at once. So to do that, what you need to do is launch your Facebook application. Make sure you have signed it to your account from here. After you have signed it to your Facebook account, you can simply open the top right side, your profile linked on it. After you tap on your profile, then you will see an interface like this. Tap on the setting option. Scroll down up until you see the option of news feed on the preferences option. After tapping on the news feed, tap on the unfollow option. Now you will see all the people that you have followed right here. So you cannot select everyone and unfollow everyone from your Facebook. To do that, you must delete your Facebook account. But you can see all the following pages or people that you have followed, and you can simply unfollow them. It will show the list of everyone that you have followed here. So this makes it that easy. For example, if I want to unfollow the person right here, then I can just tap on unfollow, unfollow, and unfollow, and it will be unfollowed from mine. So you can also do that and unfollow people that you want to. So it's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you.